Just put it down on the table.
Or you can give it right to
You do it first. You go first. He's like, I'm out. Aww. He says, let me get. Oh, he can't reach it. There you go. Aww. The baby. Look at the baby's fingers. He's going emotion. I want to try to get him.
Yeah, get it.
Oh, wait for him.
Here, I'll distract that one. You go closer to the baby. Oh, Holly, up there. Don't forget up there.
Look at it. Oh, he's eating the banana. Look, he unwrapped it.
Yeah, don't forget. Give him one.
Well, he's. Oh,
Look, he's reaching.
I don't know if I can reach him.
I'll do it.
You
Yeah,
do
look,
it.
he's
You
reaching
got it.
through.
Oh, hi. Oh, he wants another one.
Oh, we need another one up top.
Here, you give it to him. We only have a few more. Oh, he's squeaking. He's squeaking. Oh my gosh. Oh no,
Oh,
he
no.
dropped it. That's okay.
Get it.
That's a big piece for a little guy. Oh, there we go.
Alpha's in the house.
Oh, I want to see that one. Well, I'm like, get a little nervous when they reach.
I think it's okay.
I know. It just scares me. The bigger ones.
Look at him. He's like, ooh, banana.
I know. The bigger ones are. Oh, he's reaching for them. I don't. I'm scared.
It's okay.
You go.
Here you go. They don't even eat the peels. They just poke it right through. All right, on the last. Oh no, we got two more.
That's a hard one for him to get. This one's a little hard to get out.
It's all right. A bigger one will be able to do it.
Wait, I want to try to take a picture of it. Oh, he wants it. Wait, let me get a video. Hold
Okay.
on. Okay, go. You got it. You got it. Oh, there you go.